When you were at school, there is a good chance you learned that when it comes to human biological sex, 2 X-sex chromosomes produces a female, and 1 X-sex chromosome and 1 Y-sex chromosome produces a male. A lot of people point to this and declare that the matter is sewn up and that you can't argue with biology, for a number of purposes. The thing is, that explanation, like so much taught at school, is a simplification based on the level of understanding a child can be expected to grasp. It's nowhere near the full story, and no real biologist at all thinks that it is. So what is the biological reality? Firstly, XX can produce male characteristics, and XY can produce female characteristics. The genetic process gets messy, and all sorts of things can get swapped around. Secondly, not everyone is XX or XY. You can get XXY, or XXYY, or even just X. And of course, this is by no means all the possibilities. What characteristics do they produce? Well, it depends. Thirdly, don't think it's an all or nothing deal. Individuals can have a combination of male and female characteristics. And just to mix it up some more, they can change over a lifetime. Thinking that all humans are simply male or female based on whether they have a Y-sex chromosome is a bit like saying there's no such thing as brown or teal or magenta because at school you learned that the rainbow was just red, orange, yellow, green, blue, indigo, violet. The reality is a lot more complex and nuanced than what a child can deal with. But adults accept that and update their thoughts and understanding. XX females and XY males are in the majority for sure. But not being in the majority, even by a large margin, isn't the same as not existing. The prevalence of humans who are not XX female and XY male is thought to be around 1.7%. It is worth noting that this number is roughly similar to the prevalence of natural redheads worldwide. If someone tried to claim redheads weren't real, or that officially describing your hair as red on a form should be legally prohibited, then that person wouldn't be seen as very reasonable or credible. For most people who fit into this category, the bodily expression of their biological sex has no noticeable difference from someone whose characteristics match their chromosomes exactly. If you have never been genetically tested for it, you have no way of knowing if your characteristics match your chromosomes. Most who don't match never know about it. But you can't argue with that biology. There are many, many millions of them around. Subscribe for more videos like this and comment to join the conversation.